Halo guys, jangan lupa support dengan cara klik tombol subscribe dari kalian bikin gue semangat konten, dan jangan lupa nyalain notifikasi loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan konten-konten terbaru dari gue. Simak baik-baik tutorial dari gue, semoga bermanfaat, semoga kalian ngerti, dan selamat menonton.
Got me falling in more times than I can get creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows, I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
The future feels so unsure. Didn't we deserve more? The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel like the world would die out? My anxieties off the roof, I cry out. We have gone too far, take me back right now. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. I'm nobody.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling